it's Oliver, and welcome back to the Slime Lab. So today, we're going to be reviewing my Happy Hobby slimes. I am so excited to be reviewing my Happy Hobby slimes. I've been trying to purchase from Ashley for 2 months, and I finally succeeded in purchasing 2 slimes. So don't forget to subscribe down below, leave a like or a comment, and one more thing before we start this video. I will be attending Maddie Ray's Slime Bash in Stamford, Connecticut. It is on May 12th at 10 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're coming, I might be selling slime. I'm not 100% sure. I will let you know if I am selling slime at the Slime Bash when I figure out if I am. If you're coming to the Slime Bash, I'll be wearing a Slime Lab shirt, so don't be shy. I'm not shy. You can come up to me and take a picture with me. So yeah, let's get on to the slimy video. Okay, so it says My Happy Hobby, and it's in a priority mail mailer, and she sent it USPS priority mail today. And no, that's good. So this looks really well packaged. It's like in a box. Like this. So it's like in this box. So let me just open this. Okay, so she uses some tissue paper, and this is the little box. So it just rolled up, and her packaging is so cute. I'm so, oh my gosh. So I bought cake batter fudge and Frankenberry. So this is the extra baggie, a mango high chew, a borax baggie, and a business card, and I'll get into these at the end. So yeah. So she wraps her slimes in saran wrap, and I do this too, but I am going to soon do a how I package my orders, because I am changing it up very soon. First, let's get into Frankenberry. So again, she wraps her slimes in saran wrap, and she has this tape, this washi tape around it. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And it's so cute, and her labels are so cute for the slime. Frankenberry slime, and it's like Frankenstein. Oh, it's so cute. Then she has her My Happy Hobby logo on the top of all her slimes. And I love these containers. They're the 8-ounce screw top containers, and they're the deep ones. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, I can't describe this scent. It smells so good. Whoa. Whoa. That is thick. It's so glossy. Like, you can't even see it on camera, but it's so glossy. It's so thick and so glossy. And it smells really nice. I can't put my finger on the scent, but it kind of smells like, I don't know, strawberries. It has some pink foam beads and some jumbo red foam beads. You just can't see the red color. Oh, sorry. It's super thick and super glossy and super... The smell smells so nice, and the foam beads give it such a nice texture. This is the thickest slime ever. Like, I know I say that all the time, but actually, this is the thickest slime ever. And I have been waiting so long to buy this. Like, as soon as I saw it, when she first released it, I wanted to buy it, so I tried to, but I couldn't. because it sold out way too fast, but this time I got it. It's also super holdable, and you can play with it in your hand, and yeah. So I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. It's super thick, super glossy, and has a nice texture with the foam beads, and it's just the best slime ever, so I can't give it less than a 10 out of 10. So this next one is also the last one. It's called Cake Batter Fudge. And it also has the cute little tape at the top of the container. And again, she has her label at the top and this really cute Cake Batter Fudge slime name sticker on the side. So let's get into it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, I don't know how to explain the scent. It smells like strawberry frosted donuts, but I could be smelling it wrong. But it has fake sprinkles. Whoa. Whoa, this is so thick. This is like so thick. I think it's thicker than Frankenberry. Whoa. So this slime has like a little yellowish tint to it. I think it's from the foam beads, and there are a bunch of assorted rainbow foam beads and sprinkles that give the slime a nice texture. It smells like strawberry frosted donuts to me. I'm not sure if that is the scent. It's super thick and super glossy, and it's really holdable too. And just, oh my gosh, the best slime ever. It's also really, really thwacky. So I rate Cake Batter Fudge a billion out of 10, but actually 10 out of 10. It is so amazing, super thick, super glossy, and it has really nice big and small foam beads, rainbow foam beads, to give it a nice texture, and it has some sprinkles to give it a nice texture, and it looks really cool too. It smells like a strawberry frosted donut to me, and it's self-inflating and really thwacky. So for extras, Ashley includes in her extra baggie a little borax bag, her really cute business card with it says thank you for purchase and some slime care tips, and it also comes with a mango high chew. So thank you guys for watching this review video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a comment down below on some more slime strips to review and some other video ideas. I have a few in my head, and I will be filming all day, so video week, yeah. And don't forget to subscribe down below, leave a like and a comment. Also, don't forget that I'm going to Maddie Ray's Slime Bash. The tickets are sold out right now, but she said that she might be stocking more. Don't quote me on that because she said that she might. It just depends on how many people they can fit in the venue. It's not in her control, and please don't ask Maddie to stock any more tickets. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to vote in my poll up here about some new videos. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I get to see you at Slime Bash, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!